in Karnataka, Chikmagalur, on highway frontage, 100-acre beautiful estate. Tourist place, silent area with well-maintaining Robusta Arabic coffee, pepper, arecanut, cardamom, and many other trees. House, labor house, drying yard, pulping unit, storeroom, bolero pickup, manager and supervisor cottages, stream, two pond, plenty of water, beautiful natural view around foggy and cool weather, suitable for resort, homestay, villa, farmhouse, farm tourism, agriculture and any kind of commercial purpose. Per acre 25 lakh, asking slightly negotiable. Thank you.
Yes, maybe.